A $400 home inspection can save you $40,000. Here are the 9 red flags that should make you walk away, or at minimum, renegotiate hard. In fact, a single major issue can cost up to $100,000 to repair. This video is designed to help first-time home buyers like you navigate the home inspection process. By the end of this video, you will learn how to identify potential red flags, what to look for in a home inspection report, and how to use this information to negotiate a better deal. Specifically, you will learn about foundation problems, roof inspection, and electrical issues. What is a home inspection checklist? A home inspection checklist is a detailed list of items to inspect during a home inspection. This can include everything from the foundation to the roof, and even electrical and plumbing systems. A typical home inspection can cost between $300 to $1,000, depending on the location and size of the property. In 2026, it's estimated that over 70% of home buyers will use a home inspection checklist to identify potential issues. Foundation problem signs. Foundation problems can be a major red flag in a home inspection. Signs of foundation issues can include cracks in the walls, uneven floors, and doors that stick. In fact, a study found that over 50% of homes with foundation problems will require repairs within the first 5 years of ownership, with an average cost of $10,000. Roof inspection buyer tips. A roof inspection is a critical part of the home inspection process. Buyers should look for signs of wear and tear, such as missing or damaged shingles, and check for any leaks or water damage. A new roof can cost up to $15,000, so it's essential to identify any potential issues early on. In 2026, it's estimated that over 20% of homes will require roof repairs within the first 10 years of ownership. Electrical issues and mold inspection. Electrical issues and mold inspection are also critical components of a home inspection. Buyers should look for signs of outdated or hazardous electrical systems, and check for any signs of mold or water damage. In fact, a study found that over 30% of homes with mold issues will require repairs within the first 2 years of ownership, with an average cost of $5,000. How to negotiate after home inspection results. If a home inspection reveals any major issues, buyers may be able to negotiate a better deal. This can include asking the seller to repair or replace any damaged items, or even requesting a credit towards the purchase price. In fact, a study found that over 40% of buyers who negotiate after a home inspection are able to save an average of $10,000. Don't forget to download our free home inspection checklist in the link below, and subscribe to our channel for more first-time home buyer tips. Take the first step towards owning your dream home today.